So when you are wanting to attach a file to an email, of course you would fill in the to and all of that information, but there is a toolbar at the top of the email and there's an option for attach file, which looks like a paperclip. Now, yours might look like this, in which case you're just going to hit this attach file. There's a couple of different things. If it's a document that you've had open recently, it will show up in your list and you can click on it that way, or you can go to browse this PC and you can look for your file in whatever folder that you created it in or saved it in. So it could be in documents, it could be on your desktop. It just depends on where you put your folder. And so then once you get your file attached, then you can go ahead and finish your email and send it.